Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we'll show you how to find and check the Windows version on your PC or laptop. If you find this helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. This is a useful thing to know if you want to check whether your computer meets the requirements for an app, a game, or for any other reason. The reason doesn't really matter. We'll guide you through everything step by step. Make sure you watch the full guide, and by the end, you'll know your Windows version, build number, and some extra details as well. To get started, go to the middle at the bottom of your screen and find the Windows Start button, then click on it. From here, look for Settings in the pinned apps. If you don't see it there, you can search for it using the search bar at the top. Click on Settings and it will open. There are many options here, but to find your Windows version, look on the left side and click on System. If you don't see System, you can also search for it. Once you're in System, scroll down to the bottom and find the About option. Click on it. If you're having trouble finding About, you can also search for it in the Settings search box. Now, scroll down until you see Windows Specifications and click on it to expand the section. Here, you'll be able to see details like your Windows edition, for example, Windows 11 Home, your version, the install date, the OS build, and the Windows experience. You can also copy this information if you need it. That's it. This is how you can check which version of Windows you're running. If you found this guide useful and want to see more videos like this, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. We post helpful guides like this every day, so you'll likely find more content that helps you. If you have any suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next how-to video.